just wanted to do a little bit of a shop tour since I finally got this place cleaned up a little bit, and this is probably about the best it's going to get. So there's a little shot of the whole place. Start off, I guess, first right here. This is a Highland Park lapidary all-in-one setup. It's got a saw, buffer, grinder, sander, polisher all-in-one. It's a pretty good unit. Then I got a big arc welder, AC. And a big three-phase grinder that I restored. Made a little cart for it. Then I got this 24-inch flat belt drill press that I restored. Doesn't get much use, but it works really well. And I got this kind of covered in stuff right now. It's a big vise for the drill press. It's a 14-inch shaper vise. Over here I got a project in the working. It's a power hacksaw that I'm kind of restoring. It's all in pieces right now. Over here I got 14 by 40 lathe. Here, I'll take the cover off here. Kind of in the process of being worked on. It's up on blocks right now, tearing out the transmission to clean it all up. Transmission's over here. Next I got a tree mill, 9 by 42 table. Or actually I think it's a 10 by 42 table. Nice Niken rotary table on there. DRO on this machine is broken right now. Probably just trash it. I think it's beyond repair. Over here I got the measuring tools. These over here are actually my roommate's. He inherited from his grandfather. He doesn't really do any machining, but sometimes I use a couple of the machine tools. Over there I got some liquid oxygen tank for doing some glass blowing. That's my main job. Over here I got a 18-inch bench drill press that I restored. It's on a nice big stand. Got a T-slot table. You can see under all that stuff. Right now I'm kind of using it as my shop crane, so just use it to lift, small stuff around that I just can't get with my back. Over here I got a small 3-ton arbor press. Here's some parts to the power hacksaw, the motor and controls and all that. Over here I got a small old air compressor. Right now it's the only air compressor I got, but it works for filling tires and small nail guns and stuff like that. Under there I got a blueprint cabinet. That's what I store a bunch of tools in, random stuff. Here's some screwdrivers, bunch of wrenches. These cabinets work really well for holding lots of stuff. They got really big drawers. They usually pull out really far, and they're made for holding lots of paper, so they can take a lot of weight. Here's the glass blowing setup. Like I said, this is what I do for a daily job. Got a little small kiln and giant kiln over there. Here's the giant torch. Little stand that I made for it. There's a little better look at the larger kiln. Over here in the corner I got, might be kind of dark, but I got a cart filled with all the parts of that power hacksaw waiting to be cleaned up and worked on. Over there I got all my paint and glue and solvents and whatever. Over here I got a cart toolbox. It's got a small drill press that I use for small stuff. I think this is probably one of the only import tools in my shop. Behind that I got hand tools and saws and stuff, and parts cabinet with bolts and all that. Got a nice stainless table here for just a general workbench. This cabinet I got some more parts drawers and stuff, and some stock, random parts. Over here in the middle of the room I got this big T-slot workbench that I made a frame for. You can't really see it, but there you go. It's T-slot the whole way down. Got a big vise that I restored on there. I got a little power hacksaw that's actually, this is probably another import tool. Just I got the bigger one over there to restore to replace this one. It actually takes the same size blades, and I got a really big stock of blades, and you know, I just want to get rid of the import one. So, and I got this little hammer rack. This was one of my first little welding projects. That nothing special, but got a bunch of hammers in there, and that's pretty much it.